One of the more common pieces of feedback as I talk about this partnership to people is the concern that the people they choose to partner with are going to take advantage. How do you know if the suppliers in your supply chain are actually part of the team or not? Ideally, all throughout our supply chain, really changing the way we get our goods, manufacture our goods, and ship them out creates that unity. And companies that choose to embrace this unity, they see better profit margins, they see less downtime, they see greater employee retention, top talent banging down their doors, and companies that choose to continue to see their supply chain as an adversary tend to have worse profit margins, more downtime, and a lack of talent on the floor. Now, you're either in the first company or the second company. There's nothing wrong with where you're at. So the next thing is where do you want to be? If you'd like to keep watching and get some questions to have conversations with people in your supply chain, that's what I'm here to deliver today. First question is fairly straightforward, and it may throw them for a loop depending on who they are. It's asking them if they want to be part of the team. That may seem like a weird, touchy-feely kind of thing, but it's really understanding who's working with you and who's working against you. Now, as a manufacturer, being willing to sign agreements, negotiate terms that make it fair, and make sure that they're going to stay honest with their prices. One of the more common pieces of feedback as I talk about this partnership to people is the concern that the people they choose to partner with are going to take advantage and start to creep prices up and up and up. The agreement is to respect you and treat you well to earn your business. It's not about winning anything or stealing anything. So if you've got suppliers like that, you're going to want to find other suppliers to partner with. There's nothing worse than trusting someone and they slit open the bottom of your purse to kind of dump it into theirs. That's not a partner, that's a predator, and there's a difference. The next question that you can ask them, what kind of training do they do for their staff to continually develop them? Right, all of these questions are in a similar area. It's about feeling out what processes they have in place and starting that conversation. Now, from here, there's a whole bevy of questions. I'm working on a longer form video that goes over more in-depth categories and questions for all of you. But these are some great questions to get it started. 1, are you interested in being part of the team that brings my product to market? 2, can we sign an agreement to really keep the honesty between us so that I can trust you not to raise the prices and you can trust me to bring you my business? 3, what kind of training and development do you do for your staff? This is about starting out and developing and growing a relationship within your supply chain. And when we partner together, the whole world benefits. Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.